All right, this is me starting up the car, trying to verify the squeaking wheel, maybe brake. I'm thinking it's caliper noise when I pull off. So I'm gonna do that now. It only happens at low speed, so I'm gonna see if it does it now. That was it. As you can see, the faster the car goes, the faster the squeak happens, and then about at 15 miles an hour or so, it stops completely. So I'm thinking it's the caliper, something with the caliper bracket or the caliper slide pins, and just wanted to verify. All right.